I visited Dandenong's popular Little India district in hopes of learning more about how Bollywood culture is represented in Australia. As you can see, Dandenong's Little India has many Indian cultural artifacts, including Bollywood film posters hanging in the windows of various businesses, various food relating to Indian culture, and various clothing stores that sell sari, salwar kameez, pajamas, and other forms of Indian traditional dress. Bollywood films are often advertised in the windows of these businesses, and so there is careful connections drawn between the Indian community and its culture. There is a highly successful DVD store in this area, which claims to have everything that is available on DVD if it is from India. Second-hand stores in the area also sell Bollywood DVDs, and the library also has many different films from India in different languages, as well as CDs with Bollywood-style music. So we can see that Bollywood culture has a very strong influence on the culture of Dandenong.